Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Himanshu Paliwal here. I hope you all are doing perfectly good. Guys, today we have chosen a very amazing topic, that is India ready for 5G or not? We have 2 billion spokesperson between us. One side, Mr. Kushal is here. Another side, Bhumika ma'am is here. They both will exchange their point, express question to each other. And one more thing, I request to our viewers that if you have any unique and creative point regarding to this topic, then must share in a comment section. Love and affection we are getting from our viewers on each and every videos. So if you have any feedback, suggestion, opinion regarding to our videos, then must share. Because one more thing, that is, if you think that we have committed any mistake, then write that mistake on a comment section so that we can overcome that mistake. So are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So who is going to initiate? You. So directly going from this side.
Hello everyone. I'm going to favor this topic. As we all know that 5G is inching in India. Indian government has set up 500 crores for research fund development of 5G technology. So government is ready to implement 5G in India. And my second point is internet data and internet users and data consumption is inclining rapidly in India, and now it's the right time to implement 5G in India.
Okay, nice points mentioned by her. The point that is of India invested 500 crore rupees in 2017, yeah, and for the research of 5G. Even though many telephony companies are also agree to implement 5G in India. So any counter question, Mr.
Yeah.
Kushal?
First of all, Bhumika, you spoke prolific. But my question is that many telecom companies are still not ready for this battle. So what's your view?
According to my spin, as you mentioned in your question, that many electronic companies are not ready for 5G, but there are handsome number of companies who are ready for the battle.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Even though many countries have implemented 5G in their countries also. So I think so even Reliance is also ready to implement 5G. Yeah. Now I think so it's right time to start your perspective also.
Yeah, so let me hop into this conversation. So my first point is that the thing that are not sitting well with me, that why we want to go for the more. We all well versed that many unfortunate area are still suffering from slow network from 4G. Everyone know that. So let's address the elephant. This company always revolved around city areas. What about rural area? And second point might will be that we all know from past years, India is suffering from
COVID and pandemic.
no. Yeah, they are suffering pandemic, but our economy
His GDP
feels
yeah.
so low. So, and developing infrastructure for 5G networks goes so high, and we all know that safety and security are still puzzled. So, we cannot take that kind of risk.
Okay. So ultimately your points are that in many areas of India there is even no network facilities and the
still
poor
4G
poor
runs so slow.
facilities.
So how we can go with 5G?
Absolutely. And your second point was of that our right now India is not India is facing a GDP crisis or economic crisis. Any counter question, Mr. Any counter question, Bhumika ma'am?
Yes, I have one. You are enamored at your point, but as we know that India has developed 5G. Don't you think India needs to improve more?
Come on, ma'am. Already, that country have developed their 4G network so well in every sector, and in India, 4G still feels like turtle is messing around with us.
Okay, nice point mentioned by both of you. Yeah, Mr. Kushal, you are right that we don't have even a proper network facility in India. Many rural, approx 6 lakhs villages are in India, and many of villages don't have such type of network facilities. Even there is no 2G, 3G networks. So somewhere it is quite complicated to implement 5G in India. But as many 5G is a part of technology.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to need to implement the 5G in India, but 5G will be a good startup in India. So first we have to make sure that telephonic company, all telephonic companies should implement 5G in India for the long term profit basis. The vision which we kept in the mind, that is for the long term profit which we got from the in upcoming years. So it was a healthy discussion. Many productive points came from both the side. Thank you Bhumika ma'am, thank you Kushal sir. I request to our viewers that if you have any question from their lines or points, then must ask in the comment section. And if you think that they have done any mistake, even if I have done any mistake, then write that mistake in the comment section so that we can improve. So till then, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then share to your family members, friends, etc. Thank you for watching. Thank you.